Meghalaya State Government Employees Federation Jaintia Hills Unit Haka Khatway Trik Rampang Class Sdang Yaka Jingalek Inter Office Tournament Hambadan Drisalan Chutwa Kujwai U Deputy Commissioner U Abhinav Kumar Singh IAS Ubaladan Lang Hakanigasni Ubanjur Bakum Kini Jingalek Hapading ki Office Omtang Bakapanskem Yaka Jingadei Hakakam Henry ka kintiuru ya ka jingko jingkya ha ka met ka phan ha ka bor per khat bar ka rukom trekam ha ka singis dang ka jingale ka klalong ha padeng ka civil hospital juwai but forest wildlife giant hills ha ka ba ka forest wildlife giant hills kla job da prapasa run.
It's amongst the best privileges to be a part of such kind of program wherein different departments come together and through a medium of sports they are able to break up the interdepartmental silos. It not just only increases the coordination and cooperation between the different departments, but it also helps in building the synergy amongst both of them and also health aspects which is very much focused upon. So from my side, I wish to the Federation to keep up such events in future and whatever assistance, be it financial, be it with regard to logistics, we'll be more than happy from my side, from sports officer side, and also all the best to both the teams which are playing together. Thank you.